work as
professional work and
professional work man.
Do you know something?
You just consider the
professionalism
technical
professionalism pune ni sele bi enemy. I mean I non professional dang madam. Come check a dang man to you are more professional.
But I try my pune. Ni no fair into own judgment.
Yeah.
I want appeal of flames.
Flames.
Yeah.
No, but people flames.
No,
man, so, yell me ya. I never zablema. But zablema pa win your best ba.
No, people flames mala. Flames mala international appeal. Because o maliyila
na makara chan.
Yes, international.
Ya ma dia your popularity.
Popularity katuma we to apune.
No.
Yalla wunyila.
Acto yalla.
No,
is there?
No,
Yila men de ban shak comes entertainment. Then yalla popularity.
What makes him popular?
Do you know something,
Kaman? But tuma mama den no check anong popular like beat can me. Ka beat ituma nya beat ka gongle.
I mean you change young where your popularity you cannot run away from popularity.
But the technicality of the job we can say how popular you are.
To technicality ma kan yalla ma. Anya tuma ngo.
Okay.
You see Kamane I cannot le nku milven yalla.
Den ka borma.
No den nguna be yalla zala mingar zala. Baram bor na yalla Kamane ya. Baza milem. But tuma ma yalla unsuincher bulu. Nyambe yalla ba unsuincher la baza. Baza kama unsuincher bulu. I have a very good relationship with Tuma.
I see.
The way I vibe with Blue. Mommy, Blue is a different type of person from Flames.
Okay.
So, mem Blue vibe the yala public dama, but mem Flames vibe.
The popularity, it can come into a job that is very technical. Come on, Ovation. There's this guy called Ovation. I'm not sure even how industry players mew.
Tonyama, let me tell you what I observe about this too. Anye Blue.
Okay.
Blue is someone who is very strategic.
Okay.
In his dealings.
Okay.
The Mezabella industry ma pune. Canon strategic in most of the dealings.
Okay.
I understand yeah. And likewise, some of the artists we have here.
Yeah.
I understand yeah. So sometimes but tumle to mama be to tumle to mama be or tumle to mama to still dine with the people here.
Okay, yeah.
Not that he can do globally.
Yeah.
Because this is a place whereby canang da global tenma. People may not even like it.
Yeah.
I understand yeah. A clear example is when you monitor on project Shalakadanya VG nomination ma. Bayala na Bloom producer Anto Barnael Nigeria. Because he's always known by the public to be in cause the Kunkwana type of way. I understand
he did a reggae song.
Exactly.
Abanglabo. Yeah.
But I chant to monitor Yelama. There is no way in this world can not to me Kasuluba resonate with that particular sound.
Okay, yeah.
Understandable. So this is someone who understands that so let me adjust myself to the industry.
Yeah.
Understandable.
Okay.
So but that is why the same Blue will produce for Stoneboy. Kanyala Karanya absolutely different from Drinye Pianako and produce it.
Don't understand.
Very well. So Enflame me. Later come and flame when they will consider la.
Okay.
When you come, he does it for you.
Okay.
So that cannot be